everyone, I have some great news today. The Netflix comedy One Day at a Time has been saved. This is absolutely huge because it's actually the first time a network has picked up a streaming show, which I thought was pretty cool. The CBS-owned Pop has picked up the show for a 13-episode fourth season, so we will continue to see the Alvarez family on a weekly basis. There's currently no word on when exactly this will air. We just know it's going to be in 2020 sometime, so I would expect maybe January or February, as they'll need time to shoot the new season. As part of this new deal, CBS will at some point get to run the season as well, which can only help broaden the audience, I think. Pop also gets rights to the first 3 seasons, so they can air those before season 4 to promote the new season. Showrunners Mike Royce and Gloria Calderon-Kellett stated that they are thrilled beyond belief to be making more One Day at a Time. This show has meant so much to so many, and we can't wait to dive in with our amazing new partners, Pop and CBS. And we'd especially like to thank all of the fans for their undying support, helping us turn #save One Day at a Time into #more One Day at a Time. Royce spoke to Deadline and said that he was very interested in how the show will be airing weekly so that they'll be able to write episodes a little closer to the air date and can bring relevant storylines to current events happening. Now, they're still going to be producing episodes well ahead of their airing, but this will allow the storytelling to be a little bit more current. Gloria Calderon-Kellett notes that these times could not be more relevant to the Alvarez family. We love this type of storytelling in a Norman Lear fashion about this family, especially right now when the Latinx community is still pretty vilified in the press by the administration. They will be able to put something forward that is positive and hopeful about a Latin immigrant family doing right in America seems very important. I could not be more thrilled with this news, and honestly, the longer we went without hearing about a renewal, the more I feared it wasn't going to happen. But we lucked out and we got another season. I'm so excited about this because I absolutely love this show and this family, and I feel like it's so important that a show like this is on the air. I think it's amazing that the fans of the show helped save it, because without all those tweets and posts, I just don't think this would have happened. So I'm going to leave this video here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everyone who supported this show and helped it to get a new season. Have a great weekend, guys.